Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to general medicine megaloblastic anemia. Before going to topic outline, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture on my YouTube channel in Urdu Hindi. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now come to the topic outline of megaloblastic anemia. First we understand what is megaloblastic word mean. Mega mean large, blastic mean blast mean cell, mean large cell. And anemia mean deficiency of RBC, decrease amount of RBC or decrease amount of hemoglobin. Mean in this type of anemia there will be large cell. Now come to the topic outline. We will study definition, causes, pathophysiology, clinical features, investigation, management of megaloblastic anemia. First we start from definition. Basically, in definition, megaloblastic anemia is a red blood cell disorder in which DNA synthesis will be inhibited during erythropoiesis, and in result there will be large cell produced which die before maturation, and this cell will be present in bone marrow. This is a simple definition. Megaloblastic anemia is a red blood cell disorder due to inhibition of DNA synthesis during erythropoiesis. In result, there will be megaloblast cell present in the bone marrow. Now come to the causes. There are 4 causes of megaloblastic anemia. Number 1, vitamin B12 deficiency, also called cobalamin deficiency. Number 2, folic acid deficiency, are also called folate deficiency. The third is vitamin A deficiency, and the fourth is vitamin B deficiency. These are the 4 causes of megaloblastic anemia. Now come to the pathophysiology. In pathophysiology, when vitamin deficiency occur in our body, there will be inhibition of DNA synthesis in erythroblast, which is precursor of erythrocyte. When DNA synthesis inhibition occur in erythroblast due to vitamin deficiency, then this erythroblast cell nucleus will be not mature. When nucleus will be not mature, these erythroblast change into megaloblast, mean large cell, and this megaloblast without mature nucleus die before maturation. In result, there will be anemia. Simple. In first step, when vitamin deficiency occur, then inhibition of DNA synthesis in the erythroblast, then nucleus maturation not occur in the erythroblast, and erythroblast change into megaloblast. Sorry for this, I write megablast. It is a megaloblast. And megaloblast without mature nucleus die before maturation. When megaloblast, this large size cell without maturation die, in result will be anemia. This is the pathophysiology of megaloblastic anemia. Now come to the clinical features. There are 3 major clinical features of megaloblastic anemia. Number 1 is anemia symptoms. Number 2, neurological symptoms. Number 3, GI symptoms, gastrointestinal symptoms. First, anemia symptoms. These symptoms will be generally like other type of anemia, like fatigue, pale skin, palpitation, headache, shortness of breath, severe pallor plus slight jaundice produce lemon yellow skin in megaloblastic anemia. This feature is specific. There will be lemon yellow skin in megaloblastic anemia patient. Its skin like yellow lemon. Why? Due to severe pallor plus slight jaundice combinedly produce a lemon yellow skin in megaloblastic anemia patient. These are the anemia symptoms. Now come to the second neurological symptoms. Because vitamin B12 also involved in synthesis of myelin sheath of neuron, of brain and spinal cord, and also serotonin hormone mean happy hormone. Now, when there will be vitamin B12 deficiency, in the result there will be neurological symptoms. If serotonin is not produced, there will be depression. And when myelin sheath covering is not formed, there will be psychosis. There will be paresthesia in feet and finger. Now neurological symptoms involve paresthesia, numbness in feet and finger, and cause depression and psychosis. And depression and psychosis combinedly in megaloblastic anemia called megaloblastic madness. Because what is psychosis? Psychosis is a madness. Because in psychosis, the patient will be away from reality. In patient, there will be hallucination, delusion. These are the neurological symptoms. Now come to the GI symptoms. In GI symptoms, there will be glossitis, mean inflammation of tongue, diarrhea, and loss of appetite. These three are the clinical feature: anemia symptoms, neurological symptoms, and GI symptoms. Now come to the investigations. We will do two investigation of megaloblastic anemia patient. Number one, CBC, complete blood count. CBC show macrocyte, mean large size cell, which mean corpuscular volume MCV is more than 95 microns. Number two investigation is bone marrow smear. The bone marrow smear show megaloblast cell. Like we already studied in definition, there will be megaloblast cell present in the bone marrow. Now after investigation, management. Management, if there will be vitamin B12 deficiency, we give vitamin B12 to patient, also called cobalamin to patient, by intramuscular injection, and also orally by cobalamin tablet. And if there will be folate deficiency or folic acid deficiency, we also give to patient folate. Number third, if patient develop neurological symptoms like depression, psychosis, for depression we give antidepressant, and for psychosis we give antipsychotic drugs. Now today our topic megaloblastic anemia is complete. We studied definition, causes, pathophysiology, clinical feature, investigation, and management. Now, if you like my videos, press the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you new to my channel, for more video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to open the all notification in order to you receive every new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.